This super easy recipe is one of my go-tos when it comes to meal prep. These savory muffins are gluten-free, packed with vegetables, rich in protein and fiber, and of course delicious. They are perfect for breakfast, lunch boxes, picnics, or as a snack on the go. For the batter, add 300 grams of chickpea flour to a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a sprinkling of Italian herbs. Give dry ingredients a little mix. Now add 300 ml of water, 60 ml of vegetable oil, mix, and I almost forgot to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it another mix. Look how beautiful the batter is. Such a satisfying process. Now let's deal with the veg. I have no oil chopped sun-dried tomatoes, green olives, zucchini, spinach. You can chop or grate your zucchini. In they go. Chop your spinach quite finely. This way it will be easier to mix it into the batter. Now slice olives and add to the batter, followed by sun-dried tomatoes. Give everything a very good mix. Don't worry, with chickpea flour you can't overmix it. Divide the mix into 12 muffin cases. You might want to spray the cases with a little bit of oil. It will be easier to remove muffins when they are ready. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30-35 minutes. What vegetables would you add to make this recipe your way? Let me know in the comments.